A child goes missing in a busy crowd, but her mom finds her in minutes. How? The magic of UNV seek-free technology. With normal surveillance, you can only search a target by fixed tags like person or car. It's slow, and results are too broad. UNV seek-free technology changes the game. Now, just type what you're looking for. A little girl in a red coat and hat, and get instant results from hours of video. The secret behind? Seek-free deeply integrates advanced visual understanding large models into surveillance systems. This model understands not just objects, but behaviors and scenes to match your search content and deliver precise results instantly. In retail stores, it helps find a lost red backpack with a yellow tag in seconds. In community, it tracks a suspicious pickup truck with large yellow graffiti based on witness descriptions. It thinks and delivers powerful search for any situation. Works with UniView's basic NVRs and most cameras. Seek-free offers accessible solutions with no extra costs. It's an intelligence-driven revolution. The value of Seek-free exceeds your expectations. It makes security smarter for everyone.